Okay, today is how to the learning Thai languages. Thai languages, one step. You are to listen because you are listen. Today. Again. Your listen is very much one step. You know, learning to vocabulary Thai language. One first step, learning to Thai. Okay. You want to learning to Thailand? Will say how to learning to Thailand. Is languages Thailand is easy, very easy. Yeah, I am Thai people and yeah, go to the learning Thai languages. Okay, you speaking follow me. Okay. ปอตอทอจัดหนักอเมซอนจัดเต็มแจกทอง12 ล้าน Okay, this is Thai language. You speak follow me again. ปตทจัดหนักอเมซอนจัดเต็มแจกทอง12 ล้าน Okay, this is Thai language. It's easy, it's really easy. You listen to Thai language. It's very much. Okay, one more time. ปตทจัดหนักอเมซอนจัดเต็มแจกทอง12 ล้าน You see, it's Thai languages. It's easy. Yeah, I am a teacher. Thai languages give you. Okay. สวัสดีครับ ลองพูดภาษาไทยดูไหมครับ Hello. You wrong speak Thai? Okay. Again. ปตทจัดหนัก Amazon จัดเต็มแจกทอง12 ล้าน โอเค ในตอนแรก your is a different Thai language is no Thai languages easy. You can speak Thai. You can learn Thai. You can listen Thai. It's a Thai song, Thai restaurant, Thai art, and Thai country is a beautiful. Yes, Thai country is beautiful. Temple is a beautiful. It's a beautiful. You can to learn Thai languages. Thai is a Thai languages. It's easy. You can do it. I believe in you. You can do it. You say you tell talk. It's Thai is very easy. Very easy. You can learn Thai languages because Thai languages can click website down clip I give you. Okay, you can to learn Thai. I believe in you. โอเค goodbye bye bye สวัสดีครับ hello in Thai hello hello สวัสดีสวัสดีครับ hello สวัสดีครับโอเค bye bye see you next time bye bye good luck okay bye bye